got my first order just now. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe it's at $25 going just under 10 miles, 3 items. Kind of high on the mileage, and it's leaving me in a place that I don't really want to be in, but that big number was kind of enticing, so let's give it a shot at least.
So yes to a bag. Do you want the milk bagged?
It says you can leave the items at the gate. Okay, I will be doing that. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Kitchen Table Cafe. This one's gonna be $9 going just under 5 miles. This one should be a good order. I just hope it's ready for me, because I'm kind of far away. Should be ready for me.
All right here for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Taco Bell. $11 going 6 miles. I think I've only been to this Taco Bell maybe 5 times total. So I don't remember how they are. Got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14 going 6 miles, only 1 item. Yep, thank you. You too. Then just scribble on that for me. Good enough for me. There you are. You as well. Next order up, we've got an IHOP. This one's gonna be $10 going 4.5 miles. Hopefully it's not too busy. Let's go check it out. Next order came in right away. This is gonna be for Taco Bell. $7 going 3 miles. All right, 2 for 2. Finally got my next order. This one's gonna be for Taco Bell. $8 going just about 4 miles. Thank you too. It says slow down or you'll miss the turn. Okay. I think I pulled into the wrong one. Oh, that's annoying. All right, next up, we've got a stacked Starbucks. Looks like $13 going about 4.5 miles. This one should be good, I think, as long as everything is ready for me. I mean, even if it's a little bit of a wait, should be all right. We're still working on that other one. We're going for Allie. Looking like third floor to me. I got the next order right away. This is going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $10 going 4.5 miles. Only one item. It says, "Do not knock, please. I will be looking for you." We'll see how true that is. Well, you lied to me. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Thanks, dude.
Have a good one. Okay, this next one might be getting unassigned, depending on how busy it is. It's an IHOP, $11 going 4.5 miles. If it's too busy, we're not gonna be waiting because it is a Sunday, almost lunchtime now. So I can only expect it to be crazy busy. Hello, is that for Todd?
This one's for Todd. We signed the bottom of that.
Have a good day. You too. Thank you. So much of that orange juice had spilled. Hopefully they don't mind, because yeah, that was pretty bad. I won't lie. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for McDonald's. $8 and some change, going about 4 miles. $2.37.
Perfect. There is that.
Thank
Have a
you.
receipt.
All right, I think I'm gonna call it here. My phone is too hot to charge, and it's too hot for me too. So let's go find some shade or go home. Either way, I'm over it. Current time is 11:45. Current total is 131. And I think I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably around 140-ish. But yeah, that is gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.